This animation demonstrates implantation of the Axonics Recharge-Free Stimulator with the tined lead already in place. Local anesthesia is administered, and an incision approximately 4 centimeters is created at the mark made previously for placement of the future stimulator. A pocket is created using blunt dissection techniques so that 2/3 of the space for the stimulator will be below the incision, while the remaining 1/3 will be above. Hemostasis is confirmed and the pocket is irrigated. The tunneling tool is used to tunnel from the lead entry point to the incision. The sharp tip and the handle are removed, leaving just the clear plastic straw. The lead is then placed through the straw and brought out through the lateral incision. The straw is then removed. The lead is connected to the stimulator, ensuring the white indicator is inside the clear portion of the header. The lead is secured using the torque wrench to tighten the set screw until a click is heard. The stimulator is placed into the incision with the side opposite the lead going in first, then rotated slowly into the pocket, ensuring that it is flat and level to the skin. About 2/3 of the stimulator should be placed below the incision, while the remaining 1/3 should be above. This will allow the incision to close over the flat portion of the stimulator and not over an edge. The header should be oriented at the top and the lead connection entering on the lateral side. Once the stimulator is placed in the pocket, the clinician programmer is used to wirelessly check impedances and motor response thresholds are transferred to the stimulator. The incision is closed with 2 layers of suture and dressings are applied.